Okay, to remove the panel, you take off 2 screws here. Remove this, unplug the power door lock switch. You come over here. You're gonna take a pair of needle nose. You're gonna press here and just unlatch these clips. Just squeeze them and they'll come out. Okay. This motor goes right. So I'm gonna grab my drill. We're gonna drill it in these 2 holes right here. We make a lot of holes in the bracket, so you have a lot of options that you can maneuver how you want to install this bracket system, this deadbolt system. And then I'm going to position the deadbolt here. Grab it here, and then what you do is you close it and make sure that you're clear. Nope, we did not. See how it hits the door? So we have to go back some more. That's what I wanted to tell you guys. It's kind of like you have to play with it. When you hit lock, that bolt comes out. When you hit unlock, that bolt goes in, and what happens, it travels through this door right here and it shoots the rod across the door. So even if somebody tries to bust out the key lock,